Our initial problem was the error-prone paper-based documentation and also a lot of production deviations which occur during production itself. My name is Hartwig Könerloh. I'm Associate Director of MES Management. Körber offered us, as one of the only companies, a very good way, which was convincing us during this time to come from paper to EBR. So we reduced errors, production errors, by around 25%, and paper-based errors almost completely by 100%. Yeah, this is a clear step into the future for our site in Kiel. When the system was live, after a couple of weeks, visual inspection operators told me they never want to turn back to paper. They want to keep electronic batch recording.
And I can remember one special moment where the operator told me that my question for the process was worse than the question from an auditor.
The working style was from the very beginning very open and positive, and in the meantime we performed a close collaboration and a close teamwork, so to say.
I think the next steps is going forward to implement EBR for the following production lines, and also helping Ferring to find proper solutions for implementing their own process in a standard MES system.
Yeah, to have a reliable partnership or reliable company which can support us also after finalizing a project, because when transforming from a project to a life cycle, then you need also support afterwards. I personally recommend to call Körber and to ask for support in digitalization projects.